How to open my CRA account. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can open my CRA account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to open up your My CRA account, go to Canada CRA login and search them in your browser. Right, the first link you will see is CRA sign-in services. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box as well. Once you've done this, over here, since we are trying to create your account, select your My Account or My Business if you are a business, so you can select this option. After you do that, scroll down here, and since we are trying to basically open an account, go to option 2 and select CRA register. Now when you go to CRA register option here, what you need over here is your social insurance number to validate your identity. So if you do not have that, you won't be able to open your CRA account. So once you've entered your social insurance number, enter your legal date of birth as per your document required, and once you've entered that, enter your tax information. You can enter the line from your 2023 income tax and benefit return, and if your 2023 return has not been filed and assessed, enter line 15,000 from your 22 return. Now you need to also only enter in dollars, then tap on the next option to open your My CRA account. This way you can open up a CRA account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.